Hey guys, it's Justine. Welcome to my channel. So, the pitter patter are my dogs. Welcome to my channel. It's been a long time since I've uploaded. So, last July, my partner and I renovated this house. We redid the. Hi, Bella. We redid the kitchen, the bathroom, and we took down a wall and a closet. So it's very, very different from how it started. And I wanted to show you guys all that we've done and, the effort that I put in making this house a home because I'm really proud of it. And I know we're gonna be here for quite a few years before we, get our dream home or however you know how that is. But so I wanted to give you a bit of an updated tour. Before I give you the updated tour, I want to show you the original state it was in so you can see how much of an impact our renovation was to this place. And yeah, I just want to share what I did and the process. And yeah, so without further ado, please look at the befores. Okay, as you walk in, the first door to the right is the bathroom. We completely changed the layout of this bathroom because it wasn't a good layout. Then to the right is the kitchen. The contractor already separated the cabinets from the wall, but you'll see it's very colorful. There's a huge wall in between. What you see is the living room and dining room area. You see the wall there, the archway, and we're turning around. There you see where the steps are. That's the entrance to our home. This is the first bedroom, the second bedroom, and then this is the primary bedroom. And please don't mind the mess. This is not our mess. I would not show you this if it was my mess. And then that's the walk-in closet. Okay, now that you saw the before, just to break it down, it was very colorful. There was a huge wall separating the kitchen from the rest of the home. The bathroom was, that layout just did not make sense to me at all. In the second bedroom, there was a closet as well as in the primary room, which we gutted out because we do have the walk-in closet in the primary room. So we took that out to make more space, as well as the wall, and redid the layout of the bathroom. So I'm gonna show you that now. Okay, I'm currently standing at the front door, which leads back to the primary and to the rest of the house. So let's flip you around so we can get this tour going. Okay. To the right is now, oh, hey guys, is now the new layout of the bathroom. So this is the shower on this side, and let me open it up for you guys so you can see everything. This is the mirror, my vanity that I just love so much, and then on this side is the toilet. And then I have put in black tile floors, which I love, but I sort of regret because you can see literally every speck of dust, dirt, and things that just are naturally on the floor. Chloe. I love them, but having black floors in the bathroom is a commitment. Okay, so did you guys see that? They're being silly right now. Okay, let's go. Okay, please don't mind this area. This is where the boxes and all that madness has to stay. There's not really much storage here, but to the right you will see my kitchen. I picked out all of this. I picked out the cabinets, the stove, the microwave, the hardware. Let me get a close-up for you guys. This was Amazon actually. I picked the backsplash, the countertops. I'm very, very happy with my kitchen. Let me back it up for you. And the contractor and his workers did an amazing job. Okay, now we're gonna spin around. We have this beautiful fireplace. Oh, fireplace. It's not a fireplace. We have this beautiful chimney, which I love. It has really opened up the space, knocking down the wall that was here. And now you have an open view to the living room and the dining room. It's still incomplete. I would love to put like an armoire, a gallery wall. I need a rug and an actual coffee table, art, hiding the cables and everything. But this is it for now. A few months later, my dogs are feeling very silly right now, of course, while I'm filming. Okay, now that we got that out the way, doggies, we're gonna go back towards the other half of the house. This room I made is currently like a storage and my beauty space. Don't mind the mess. It's a work in progress. But this is kind of my, you know, closet beauty space area. This door here is my baby's room, which I'm going to leave untouched right now. I want to have it complete, like 100%, and show like a reveal. So stay tuned for that. Now Chloe's giving you her butt. This is the primary room. That's their steps and the horrible pillow that I have back there, body pillow. I don't like it. I don't get it. But anyways, this is the primary room right now. It's super empty and not decorated at all, but that's gonna come next. So we'll swing back around and then we're towards the front again. Okay guys, that was my quick home tour. It's still a work in progress. It's not perfect or complete in any way, but the reason I like to switch up the content in this channel is because I'm really into decor and you know, just making a house a home, and I would like to continue bringing you on that journey with finding the coffee table and, you know, putting up my gallery wall, etc., etc. The next big project though is going to be the backyard. I just ordered patio furniture, and we're going to redo the back fence because it's kind of falling apart. So that's gonna be like the major project next. But I'm really excited and happy that you stuck around this long. And if you have any questions about like where I got like any furniture or any pieces, leave them down below. I'll be happy to link them if you're interested. Okay, bye guys.